The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, every time I keep saying we must be a good listener. With this aim in mind, we teachers had presented a tongue twister game, right? Though I know it was going to be tough for kids like you, I just wanted to know if you can. After watching some of the videos, I understood that age is not a barrier for learning, and this is the right age for you to grasp new things. Well, here are a few of them who have presented it in par with their teachers. Let's have a look at this video.
She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore.
She says seashells on the seashore. She says seashells on the seashore.
Batter with the butter is the batter that is better. The batter with the butter is the batter that is better.
The batter with the butter is a batter that is better. The batter with the butter is a batter that is better.
Ice cream, you scream, we will scream for ice cream. Once again. Ice cream, you scream, we will scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we will scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we will scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we will scream for ice cream.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
I'm really thankful to all the teachers and children who have come forward to support me with this concept. Now, why am I showing you these sentences? If you notice, the sentences begin with the capital letter and the pronoun I is also written in capital form. Yes, in my last class, I was dealing with capitalization, right? So these were the two rules which I discussed. Now, which are the other rules? Let's see. All of you are aware of months in a year, right? But still, let's have a look at them once again.
January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August, September, October, November, and December.
Also, you have learnt about the days of the week. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yes, the next rule is that the months, days and holidays are written in capital form as well. Let's have a look at some examples. So here the month October and the day Friday is written in capital form. Similarly, public holidays like Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day, festivals, etc. also have to begin with capital letter. Okay? Moving on to the next rule. The names of people and places are also written in capital form. Haven't you learnt about proper nouns? Yes. Something that is having a specific name is also capitalized. For example, here, if you notice, the names Sita and Geeta begins with the capital letter and also the place. Tell me which place is mentioned in this sentence. Yes, it is Palakkad. So, when you are writing the names of the places, it has to begin with capital letter. Okay? Moving on to the last rule. The titles of books, names of movies also begin with capital letter. Now, let's have a look at this example. If you notice, Harry Potter and the name of the author J.K. Rowling begins with capital letter, whether it is in the beginning of the sentence or in between the sentences. Okay, so my dear children, make a note of all these rules while writing. Okay, won't you do it? Yes, I know all of you are very attentive and smart little ones. I will meet you with a different topic in my next class. See you.